warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvie Rahmawati. On this occasion, I will present the results of the video that I have watched. Complete summary of the video Women and Sharia Law. This video discusses the role of women in societies influenced by Sharia law. It explains how Sharia is interpreted differently across various Muslim communities and its impact on women's legal, social, and political rights. The video emphasizes that cultural practices rather than Islamic principles alone often shape women's rights in different countries. Topic covered include marriage, inheritance, and education, and it clarifies that Sharia law can be viewed differently depending on regional, historical, and doctrinal context. Key points from the video. The first, cultural versus legal Sharia. The video underscores the distinction between cultural practice and actual Islamic teachings, showing that many practices affecting women, such as dress and movement restrictions, are influenced by culture, not Sharia law. The second, women's rights under Sharia. The video explains that when Sharia law is applied strictly, it includes protection for women such as inheritance right, the right to work, and the right to divorce. However, interpretations of Sharia often vary, leading to inconsistent applications. The third, misunderstanding about Sharia. A key point is that Sharia law is often misunderstood in the West, where it is linked only to negative practice against women. The video encourages looking into the various interpretations of Sharia and how it can be applied to support women's rights. The last, the need for reform. The video also touches on the possibility of reform in Islamic societies, arguing that reinterpretations of Sharia could promote gender equality while remaining faithful to Islamic principles. Benefits and interests. The benefit of this video is that it provides deeper insight into the relationship between Sharia law and women's rights, highlighting that many restrictions imposed on women often stem from cultural interpretation rather than the actual teachings of Sharia. I found the exploration of different interpretation of Sharia and how this can form a basis for gender equality reforms particularly interesting. This video is highly relevant to my studies in Islamic education because it enriches the understanding of how Islamic law can be applied in diverse social contexts. Reflection and opinion. The video provides valuable insight into the often misunderstood relationship between Sharia law and women's rights. I found the discussion about how cultural interpretations of Sharia sometimes overshadow its original Islamic intent fascinating. It was enlightening to learn that Sharia law itself offers protection for women. But these are often overshadowed by patriarchal societal structures. For students of Islamic education, this video is relevant because it provides insight into how Islamic law can be applied to ensure the dignity and right of women. As educator, we can use this information to address misconceptions about Sharia law. especially in diverse Islamic contexts. It is essential to convey that Islam at its core promotes justice, respect, and equality, and these values can be reflected in legal systems when Sharia is interpreted with considerations for contemporary social needs. The last conclusion. The video highlights the complexity of applying Sharia in diverse social and cultural contexts. It provides a thought-provoking perspective that Sharia, when understood and applied correctly, can be a force for empowering women, not oppressing them. This is a key point that can be incorporated into Islamic studies curricula to help students critically analyze legal and social systems within Islamic traditions.